Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Araceli Chan DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I repurposed an old, ugly dresser into a beautiful buffet for my dining room. You can see tiny bit of it right here. I'm also going to be sharing some DIY Dollar Tree decor. Of course, I want to welcome you if this is your first time here. If it is, I would love it if you became part of this DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I do want to let you guys know that this video was sponsored by Dowan, who sent me some amazing porcelain serveware. They do have different collections that you can choose from, and everything is absolutely beautiful, bright, big, depending on the look that you're going for. I want to show you guys what I got. I got this super cute teapot. You know I love the color aqua, and I just feel like this fits perfectly into the colors that I've incorporated into my decor. Every time we go out to a sushi place, I always see these long rectangle plates, and I told my husband I want some of these, so I went ahead and got a set of these. And then I also got this large butter dish. I've never really considered myself, you know, fancy pants to have a butter dish because I just scoop it right out of the tub or whatever, but I thought this was really cute and would go with the decor. And you guys will find a lot of different things. They can go classical, you can go original, and they also have like the squared edges. Dowan is going to be giving you guys a discount, so make sure you check the link below in the description box. You're going to get 15% off. Follow that link, apply it at discount, and you're good to go. Alright you guys, enough chatter. Let's get on to these DIYs. All you're going to need is one of these candle holders. You can use whatever kind. I'm just going to use this one. And then one of these rectangle mirrors and some rope.
This time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling to stay. It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting. Would you say? As we're growing older, darling, understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry to bring you in my fall. Yeah, with my fall. Like this never end. We have to try.
This one, I'm going to use another one of these candle holders, one of these glass vases, and then some of this wired twine. So
Stay. I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all good in the end. As we're growing older, darling, our love is growing stronger, 'cause it's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry to bring you with my fall. Yeah, it's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry
On this one, I have 2 of these silver platters, and these are being reused from a different DIY. So I'm going to take both of these. I'm going to flip one upside down, just like that, and I'm going to hot glue it.
We may have it all, up the ladder, down the wall, different mysteries, full life mixed with tears. We are happy most of the time, and we get along better and fine. Left and right we braid, through the ups and downs we sway. It's easy either way. When I'm covered in tears.
So absolutely free, I didn't have to spend any money on it. And I'm just going to show you a little bit. It's so dusty, it's disgusting. It's actually nice quality. It's really heavy. There's a couple of things here that are kind of beyond repair, I guess, as far as like the wood goes. So right here you can see there's part of the paneling that's missing. You know, I'm not really too worried about it. I'm not redoing this to like resell it or anything like that. So it's gonna be fine. And then towards the bottom here, that's missing. And then also this paneling is kind of lifting up. So if anything, I think I may just like rip it off and sand it or glue it down maybe. I'm not really sure. And then cobwebs and dog hair. Ew. And then these things are really old. I wanted to replace these, but I don't want to spend anything other than what I had to spend on the paint. And then the inside is in pretty good condition. It's just, again, dirty, and it's been sitting out here, so it has cobwebs. And then the doors themselves are pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna paint the inside. I'm just gonna leave everything as is. I'm just gonna paint the frame and then the outside, of course. And then these I'll probably just clean really well and then kind of spray paint them, maybe a different color. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done.
Left and right we braid, through the ups and downs we sway. It's easy either way.
Alright, so this is just a mixture of a little bit of water, vinegar, and then baking soda, just to take the rust off of the hardware. And as you can see, it's already turning, so it's super brassy and just kind of gross. You can see all the stuff coming off. If you see the difference in that one, it's all like rusted, and then that one's already like turning into like a gold color. I got this paint at Home Depot in the Oops pile. This is $5. This was $5, and the color is a little bit lighter in person. And then for the top, I think this is going to be the color of the body. And then for the top, maybe a mix of this too, but I'm not going to paint it. I'm just going to stain it, and I'll show you guys how. I have a paintbrush, and then some of these. The top will probably just be finished off with this polyurethane.
all. Come one, come all. You're like an early morning breeze. Your soft red lips and gentle tease. You must have been sent just for me. Come one, come all. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. Through the fields of young romance, and under blue skies with an open glance, we're head over heels, filled with dreams. Come all, everything, just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. We can go wherever. We can be whoever. You and me. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. And my eyes are set on.
I've been through changes. All of my life started from zero with nothing behind. Feels so right. This feels so right. This world gets easier with reason and rhyme, and it feels so right. Yeah, I've been through changes all of my life. All of my life. Been under the weather, on the edge of the night. On the edge of the night. And then there was you.
So that is gonna be it for today's video. I am so glad that I finally have that thing out of my patio and looking beautiful in my living room. And I know I did, or slash dining room. I know I didn't show you guys like in depth step by step, but I did want to add a couple Dollar Tree DIYs in there also, and I didn't want to make it like, you know, extremely long or anything like that. If you did enjoy this video, it would really help me out if you guys left me a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite DIY was from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to get your 15% off code with Dowan. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.